idling rough, misfiring on acceleration, or poor fuel economy are signs that it may be time to replace the fuel injectors in your Cummins ISX. Minimize downtime and negative impacts to your revenue. Improve your diesel engine's performance, mileage, emissions, and driving experience with a set of rebuilt fuel injectors for your Cummins ISX from Highway and Heavy Parts. When it's time to decide which common rail injectors to install, choose the injector rebuilt to high standards, ensuring your ISX injectors can withstand the rigors you put them through. As with every fuel injector that we sell, these injectors are fully disassembled, thoroughly inspected, and cleaned to perfection. 100% of the critical components are replaced inside the injector. Every injector is then flow matched to the high side of specification to ensure a balanced flow of fuel during service. This brings you more power and higher efficiency for your Cummins ISX. We make sure that you're getting a true rebuilt diesel engine part that you can install on your truck with confidence, ensuring quality and consistency for your ISX. And don't forget to check out HHP's wide selection of diesel engine parts, keeping your truck out of the service bay and on the road with Highway and Heavy Parts. Backed by a 1-year warranty and industry-leading service from our ASE certified technicians. Connect with HHP for industry-leading technical knowledge, quality diesel parts, and fast shipping. Order now by calling 844-447-1453 or visit us online at highwayandheavyparts.com. From diagnosis through delivery, we will be there.